Hi friends, welcome to my channel Motivate and Self Care. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to see further videos. Today we are going to see a hair oil, natural hair oil made with all natural ingredients available near the house. I have taken a vessel with water. We have to make the water to a boiling condition and we have to place another vessel on top of this boiling water with oil in it. I have taken today nearly 500 ml of oil, and this water is boiling, and after it gets boiled I have placed the vessel with oil. This is coconut oil, and these are the ingredients today we are going to use. The ingredients are gooseberries, onions, olive vera, neem leaves, curry leaves, oregano, cloves, then cumin seeds, black cumin seeds. Okay, these are all the ingredients. These are all beneficial for your hair growth. This is bringraj leaves, that is bringraj leaves, right? Once the oil is heated up somewhat, you have to put all the ingredients except the ones which are the leaf. Okay, other than that all other ingredients you have to place in the oil except the bringraj leaves and curry leaves, neem leaves also. You have to place these dry ingredients for nearly 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, what I am doing is I am drying up the leaf. I have washed these leaves and I am using a clean cotton cloth to to grasp all the water content from the leaves. After tapping using the cloth, I am using a newspaper to tap the excess water which is in the leaves, and make sure you have to wash these leaves completely to avoid the bugs, okay, and dust from these leaves. Otherwise you can use powder instead of the fresh leaves also. I am crushing this so you can see somewhat the leaves have dried up. After drying you have to put these leaves also into the into the oil after 15 minutes. Okay, make sure like don't put the content in the oil when it is at a high temperature, that will make a sizzling sound. Make sure you are safe while preparing this oil. You can see a color change in the oil. Okay, it's nearly 10 to 15 minutes. After this you could see some color change in the oil, and whenever there is a less amount of water in the vessel, make sure you refill the water content. Okay, I am dropping all the leaves into the oil.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Once you have placed all the oils, make sure you mix all the ingredients well. You have to make sure that all the ingredients are soaked inside the oil, then only you will get the full benefit from this oil. Okay, as we will drain all other ingredients once it is completely immersed in the oil. Okay, so make sure it is fully immersed in the oil. So I am doing that only. I am immersing the contents into the oil, and you have to raise the flame to high, then only it will no it will complete sooner. Okay, you can keep it in low flame also. As we are using double boiling method, there is no harm in keeping it in high flame. You can use it in a high flame also. So you can see, or after it is immersed, then you can see a color change in the aloe vera. I have used a little color change only, but it will take nearly 45 minutes to 1 hour based upon the quantity, how much you have used the ingredients. Based on that it will take nearly 1 hour. Okay, you can know when all the ingredients have turned into light brown or light black color, you know that that's the stage the oil is ready. Okay, and you can't use it directly. Okay, these ingredients, after soaking in the soil, it should be placed in the sunlight for nearly 20 days. At least you have to keep it for a week in sunlight. Okay, don't keep it in direct sunlight, and make sure you close this lid, okay, to avoid dust. Then I have stored it in an bottle for regular usage. So I took nearly 500 ml, but I got nearly 400 to 450, nearly that much oil content I have got from this. So you will not get nearly 500. If you are using 500 ml, you won't get 500 ml itself. Okay, that is for sure. You will see some difference in the oil content. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.